Right, let's go and fill this beast up. First of all, I just want to thank everybody for the support. The last video went down a treat. You've absolutely smashed the likes, the views, everything, so I really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Press the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. On the twisties. I've had me bit fun now. V-Power, just premium fuels in general. Are they worth it? Is it really worth the extra cost to run V-Power in your vehicle? Now obviously we're going to be sticking to diesel, V-Power diesel, because I'm running my V-Power in a Ford Transit. I understand that, you know, performance cars, I've had them in the past. They run better on V-Power, they run better on the high octane fuels because they were designed to do so. Even though the Transit, you know, it's a Transit Sport, not convinced that it was designed to run on V-Power diesel, as most of the time I'm just pottering about, not really pushing it, you know, I'm not rallying it round, I'm not pretending to be a racing driver most of the time. Now, as you've just seen, I've just put some V-Power in my van. Now there's going to be split opinions on this, whether it's worth running it in an everyday vehicle, whether it's too expensive. Well, you know, there's so many different views on V-Power. Now this isn't the first time I've put V-Power in my van, just so you know. I've used V-Power in this van since I bought it, and especially since it's had its new engine in. And it's not because I think it's going to make us faster than the next van driver on the road. Alright, so here's my reason and my thinking behind putting V-Power in this van. Alright, because a lot of people will be like,
you don't need to put V-Power in your Transit, come on Nathan, man, it's a bloody Transit, it's not a Ferrari.
Well, to you it might not be a Ferrari. I think of it this way, in life generally you get what you pay for. If it's cheap or cheaper, it's cheaper for a reason. Whether that's because it's slightly worse, it's not as beneficial. If it's more expensive, it's generally more expensive because it either does a better job or it's better for you. I always think of running your vehicle like keeping yourself healthy, keeping your body healthy. Put good things into your body when you're trying to get fit, when you're trying to maintain your physical shape. You eat well, you do exercise. I probably treat my van a bit better than I treat myself. I want to look after my vehicles, especially this van. So I'm going to treat it nice, I'm going to treat it right, I'm going to make sure it gets all the best things. I'm going to make sure it's looked after. So I put the V-Power in, it gets serviced regularly, it's maintained to the best possible standards that can be done. And I do all the little things, you know, like the V-Power diesel, just making sure I'm fueling that correctly. And by doing that, and, you know, treating the van well, then in return I hope that the van runs as best it can, you know, so I hope it performs its best. So whether that gives us a performance boost or not, I'm not too worried about, to be honest. It's going to keep the engine right. And Jesus Christ, what's going on here? There's bloody two tractors cutting hedges. I don't know, I'm trying to make a YouTube video here and I'd be getting stuck behind tractors, man. Sport! Go on, son! So I guess, you know, there's a lot of variables. How much you like your van as well, whether you care about your van or your car. Because if you don't, then you're probably not going to be bothered about putting V-Power in. Now I mainly use Shell fuel. One, just because the local garage to me is Shell. But I'm interested to know now, I want to know, what do you guys do? Do you guys use V-Power? And if you do, where do you get your fuel from? Do you use like, you know, Tesco Premium? I don't even know if they do a premium fuel, if I'm honest. Do you use BP Ultimate? Do you use Shell V-Power like me? Do you have a preferred one? And what's the reasons behind it? Why do you use that fuel? Because you might have the same reasons as me. You just like looking after things and maybe, you know, trying to treat your van nice. You might treat your van better than you do your girlfriend, your missus, your wife, your partner. Do not let him or her watch this video if that is the case. So yeah, I'm just really interested to see what you guys do and what your opinions are on the matter. I would love to do an in-depth review on whether or not it is better for the van and make some comparisons, but I'm not putting the normal fuel in. Sorry. If any of you have changed recently and changed from normal diesel or fuel to V-Power and you've noticed a difference, or you haven't noticed a difference, let us know. I've enjoyed this little drive out, just talking to you lot. If you've enjoyed the video, or you've learned something, or you've got an opinion on anything that I've mentioned in this video, please leave a comment. Let us know your thoughts, let us know how you think the videos went, let us know if I can make any improvements, give us some feedback as well. Remember to like the video if you did enjoy as well. Subscribe for future videos. Have a fantastic day, enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Right, let's get this van put away, because yeah, could do with a cup of tea.